Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn about all important appointments which are important for all government exams in 2019. Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora. Election Commission is a constitutional body and it comes under Article 324 of Indian Constitution. Till 15th October 1989, the Election Commission has a single member body, but the president appointed two more election commissioners, and Ashok Lavasa and Sushil Chandra are the two election commissioners. The Union Public Service Commission is the central recruiting agency in India. It is also an independent constitutional body, and Article 315 to Article 323 Part 40 of Indian Constitution, and the current UPSC chairman is Arvind Saxena. Attorney General of India is the highest law officer in India, and KK Venugopal is Attorney General of India. To qualify for the post of Attorney General of India, a person should be qualified to be a judge of Supreme Court, or he must have been a judge of some high court for 5 years, or an advocate of some high court for 10 years, or eminent jurist. Comptroller and Auditor General of India (CAG) is currently headed by Rajiv Maharishi. It is also a constituent body, and the Comptroller and Auditor General holds office for a period of 6 years or up to the age of 65, whichever is earlier. Article 148 of Indian Constitution is associated with the CAG. Finance Commission is headed by Nand Kishore Singh. It is a quasi-judicial body, and Article 280 of Indian Constitution associated with it. It is constituted by the President of India every fifth year or at such earlier time as he consider necessary. Chief of Army Staff General Bipin Rawat. Chief of Air Staff Air Chief Marshal B.S. Dhanova. Chief of Navy Staff Admiral Sunil Lanba. National Investigation Agency is currently headed by Director General Y.C. Modi. NIA was created after the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks as a need of central agency to combat terrorism. CBI Central Bureau of Investigation is currently headed by Rishi Kumar Shukla. It was formed in 1941 as a special police establishment. The current Chief Justice of India is Ranjan Gogoi, and he is the 46th Chief Justice of India. Article 124 of Indian Constitution provides the manner of appointing judges to the Supreme Court. Reserve Bank of India is India's central banking institution which controls the issuance and supply of Indian rupees. It is currently headed by Governor Shakti Kanta Das. Defense Secretary Sanjay Mitra. The Defense Secretary is the administrative head of the Ministry of Defense, which is currently headed by Sanjay Mitra. Defense Research and Development Organization is currently headed by Dr. G. Satish Reddy, and Indian Space Research Organization is currently headed by Dr. K. Sivan. Border Security Force is the primary border defense organization of India. It is one of the 7 Central Armed Police Force of the Union of India. BSF has been termed as the first line of defense. Director General Rajnikant Mishra is heading PSF as well as Sahastra Seema Bal. Central Reserve Police Force is currently headed by Director General Rajiv Rai Bhatnagar. Indo-Tibetan Border Police is currently headed by Director General S.S. Deswal. Central Industry Security Force is currently headed by Director General Rajesh Ranjan. Indian Coast Guard was formally established on 18 August 1978 by the Coast Guard Act 1978 of the Parliament of India. Currently, it is headed by Director General Rajendra Singh. National Security Guard was raised in 1984 following Operation Blue Star. NSG commandos are also referred as Black Cats, and currently it is headed by Director General Sudeep Laktakia. Assam Rifles is the oldest paramilitary force in India, and it is currently headed by Lieutenant General Sukhdeep Sangwan. Intelligence Bureau is India's internal intelligence agency. Intelligence Bureau is currently headed by Director Rajiv Jain. Research and Analysis Wing is the Foreign Intelligence Agency of India. Currently, it is headed by Anil Dasmana. Central Vigilance Commission is an apex Indian government body created in 1964 to address government corruption. Currently, it is headed by K.V. Chaudhary. National Human Rights Commission is a non-constitutional body and it is headed by Justice H.L. Dattu. National Commission for Minorities is currently headed by Syed Gayrul Hassan Rizvi. The Department of Atomic Energy is the department directly under the Prime Minister of India with its headquarters in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Currently, it is headed by Dr. K. N. Vyas. The Solicitor General of India is the subordinate to the Attorney General of India. He is the second law officer of the country, assists the Attorney General, and Tushar Mehta is the current Solicitor General of India. Securities and Exchange Board of India is the regulator securities market in India. Currently, it is headed by Ajay Tyagi. National Disaster Response Force is currently headed by Director General S. N. Pradhan. National Security Advisor is the senior official on the National Security Council of India and the chief advisor to the Prime Minister of India on national and international security policy. Ajit Doval is the current National Security Advisor. Snehalata Srivastava is the Secretary General of Lok Sabha. Snehalata Srivastava, a 1982 batch retired IAS officer of Madhya Pradesh cadre, is the first woman Secretary General of Lok Sabha. The Home Secretary is the administrative head of the Ministry of Home Affairs, currently headed by Rajiv Gauba. The Chairman of Indian Railway Board is the administrative head of Indian Railways, which functions under the overall control of the Parliament of India through the Ministry of Railways, and currently the Chairman of Railway Board is Vinod Kumar Yadav. The Cabinet Secretary is the topmost executive official and senior-most civil servant of the Government of India. The Cabinet Secretary is the ex officio head of the Civil Services Board. Currently, it is headed by Pradeep Kumar Sinha, Secretary General of Rajya Sabha. Desh Deepak Verma. The Chief Economic Advisor is a post in Government of India and is equivalent to the rank of Secretary to the Government of India. Currently, Krishnamurthy Subramaniam is the Chief Economic Advisor. The Central Information Commission was established by the central government in 2005. Currently, the CIC Sudhir Bhargava. I hope you like this video. Share it with your friends and comment.